Hey, big day. My Shorlock gas and cooler rack has arrived and I'm going to unbox it today, and I'll probably install it on the WaveRunner either tonight or tomorrow. Major two brands are out there. I won't try to tell you which one to get. For me, I looked at both major brands. Both manufacturers are in Florida, so that's nice. But in the end, I chose Shorlock, and so far, just from the interaction I had with them as a company, from a customer service standpoint, and hopefully from this product, it's been fantastic. So let's get right at it. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I have a 2020 FX Cruiser WaveRunner Yamaha. It's blue, silver, and black accents. Ah, Tucker wants to be in the video. This looks like the flag holder and the different parts that'll go on it. Very nice. Very nice. And that is the rack. Very few moving pieces to this. I'll assemble the brackets that go underneath the ski, and these are the turnbuckles and the safety chain that connects to the ski rope hook on the WaveRunner. We should be good to go, but it certainly looks nice. Okay, let's see what these parts are. This would be the two brackets that I'll affix to the back of the ski that'll go underneath the WaveRunner. Aha! This will be my flagpole / rod holder, and that'll contrast nicely with the black, and it'll match the WaveRunner, and I'll probably mount that right there. This is the Shorlock Anchors journey box installed on the 2020 WaveRunner FX Cruiser HO. It's got the two padded brackets that fit underneath the WaveRunner, and then it's a very simple turnbuckle attachment to the tow rope hook with the safety chain, and it's completely solid. It's attached to the ski, and I just took it on its maiden voyage on some pretty rough water. Okay, the stuff I'm going to show you for demonstration purposes is not exactly the items I'm going to use long term, but for example, if you want to carry gas, you can carry one 5-gallon gas tank, or you can carry two, and that'll give you 10 gallons. So that's obviously handy on a long run where you're going to need to refuel yourself and maybe a partner. So this is not the cooler that I'll be carrying, but this is what I used today on my trip to test it out, and it worked perfectly. The rack can carry a full-size cooler. It stayed put, never moved. The configuration that I can't show you right now is what I'll probably do the most of the time, is one 5-gallon gas tank and one square half a cooler size. And that's what I'll be carrying most of the time. This is just a big golf umbrella, but
demonstrates that when I put my bigger beach umbrella there, it's going to give some shade underneath it when you're out on the sandbar or something. Also, when you're off out in the water and you're going to go off the WaveRunner and do some snorkeling, you want to put a dive flag up, so the holder will definitely do that as well. And then the last application is if you wanted to put a GoPro on a bigger stick up there to get a wider view, like if you're on a sandbar or something, you could just stick it in the rod holder. The rod holder comes with a place for pliers and a knife to stick right in there if you're fishing. And again, all this is rock solid and it passed the test today. The rack is just rock steady, not going anywhere. Is that a lake or is that open water? Well, if the rack survived going across those lakes, it'll survive anything. And